is. Look at that beauty. There it is.
Now see his back wheel? It's straight.
Yes.
No longer like this.
Yeah.
So this way it actually will provide good traction for those tires.
Those are the tires?
Apart from that, AAD control arms, billet, tow, cradle lockout. Solid. This and much more available at AAD Performance.
That tracks straight, man. Yeah. That's good. What's the suspension? Billet?
All billet from all the Demon setups.
Wow.
It's the same shit that we put on all the 1,000 horsepower cars. So the back end is solid. Now you can do your runs around and the back end is solid. And now your camber is set to charge your Hellcat specs at 0.8 degrees. So this way, now your wheels are not inwards.
Wow.
And still provide proper handling. And that's it.
That was impressive.
Holy fuck.
Holy guacamole. Would you look at that?
Would you just look at it?
Would you just look at that? Wow. Incredible. That was phenomenal. How does it ride, buddy?
Good.
Is it good?
Good.
Look at that smile on your face, buddy. How's like the drone and like? I guess we'll find out. I'll be in the car. That's cool. Good. Drive straight?
Drive straight.